Today I'm reviewing the Zeroid Soothing Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the links below. So this is a newer brand to me, but I'm really enjoying a lot of their products. This brand is under a bigger scope. They've got several other brands. Adopalm is one. They've got several, so I'll link to it below. But I'm really enjoying. They have a lot of nice offerings, and most are pretty sensitive skin friendly. So, okay, so they say this is a lightweight, effective, non-greasy cream. Soothes to help care for dry and sensitive skin. This rich formula contains patented MLE technology, which helps rebuild a natural skin barrier, and I'll talk more about that in the ingredients. Anyway, so let's get down to it. So they've got a lot of products. This was the first one I've tried, but I've also been testing out their urea cream as well, which is really wonderful. So, okay, my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. Efficient, easy to travel with, which is a huge criteria for me. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it doesn't contain drying alcohols. It does contain Cetearyl alcohol, which is a good fatty alcohol, so no issues with that. In terms of fragrance, this has no fragrance ingredients, no essential oils, no scent at all, which is wonderful for sensitive skin. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Ease of use. So they recommend after cleansing with their Zeroid Forming Cleanser, this cream can be used daily in the morning and bedtime. Apply a liberal amount to fingertips and gently massage into skin until it's completely absorbed. If I found it applies pretty easily. It's kind of a lotion texture, which smooths over skin pretty easily. I found this works well in the face. It also works well in the neck. Anywhere you want to use it where your skin is really dry, it might get expensive to use it all over your body, but if you have specific issues that are dry, you can use it pretty much anywhere. My neck tolerates as well, which is my neck is so sensitive, I can only use a few products on it. My neck tolerates this one well, which says a lot about the product. It absorbs very quickly. It sets to a natural finish. It doesn't look greasy. It doesn't look matte. It just looks natural. Feels well, nice. I found it layers pretty well with most products. I only had a couple issues with it pilling under a couple thicker mineral sunscreens, but otherwise I didn't have any other issues with it pilling. It played well over other serums and under most other sunscreens. So very easy to add in your routine and no issues with it being greasy or anything else. So I do like how it sets to just a natural finish. A lot of moisturizers can look greasy for a while. This one just instantly absorbs and looks natural. Okay, let's get to the antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So we've got Safflower seed oil, which is an antioxidant and emollient. Then we've got that patented MLE technology. It is a pseudoceramide, technically considered. It's a combination of ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. And they combine that, and it helps hold in water, and it helps the skin barrier, helps repair the skin barrier, helps heal the skin barrier, and helps maintain the skin barrier health. So it is patented technology. It's really just a combination of ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids, and lipids. Just a combination of that. And then they patented it and make it sound more exciting when it has a patent, right? Everything sounds more expensive, but you don't really need the patent to, you can just use your own combination. But anyway, so it is a good ingredient. Then we've got Phytosterols, which are skin hydrating ingredients from plants. We've got vitamin E, which is an antioxidant and emollient. We've got Bisabolol, which is a skin soothing ingredient. We've got sodium hyaluronate. It's a humectant. It's in everything. We've got arginine, which is an amino acid, natural moisturizing factor, and it's the building block of collagen. So a nice ingredient list, not crazy long, but we've got a nice list of hydrating ingredients, soothing ingredients, and antioxidants, which makes it a great combination of ingredients. Every skin needs antioxidants, it needs hydrating ingredients, it needs soothing ingredients. When you can combine them into one product, it's even better. So they did that. In terms of animal testing, this brand does not appear to be cruelty-free. That's all I know. So I'm going to have to email them and see what they say. In terms of performance, this one is quite nice and hydrating. I find it soothing, but it's not overly emollient. I can use it in the humid Minnesota summer without feeling greasy. It gets so humid and hot here, so it's crazy. You know what? It is crazy that we go from like 100 degrees and like 100% humidity in 3 months to negative 80 degrees and 0% humidity. So it's a mind trick on your skin, and you your skin needs as many products as you have for your wardrobe for different weather times. That's my justification for buying a lot, I guess. My skin needs as much as my wardrobe is pathetic, though, because I spend it all on skincare. Anyway, edit this out. Okay. So I find it very nice, hydrating without feeling too greasy or too emollient. It feels like it works better for my dry skin when I use it over a nice serum. Otherwise, in the winter time, I picked this up towards the end of winter. It's not hydrating enough on its own for my dry skin, but if I use it with a good serum, it's just fine. I have a feeling oilier skin types might be able to get away with just this. I probably wouldn't recommend it to acne-prone skin because there are 7 ingredients of note. We've got Sorbitan, stearate, Cetearyl alcohol, Safflower seed oil, Glyceryl, stearate, stearic acid, Dimethicone, and Carbomer. So if you have very acne-prone skin, be aware of that. But you can certainly use it on your body or wherever else you want to use it. In terms of the price, this is the full size, which is 80 milliliters, 2.7 ounces, and it retails for about $24. So it's pretty affordable. Pretty good deal. And the fact that a little bit goes a long ways, even better. Then we get to my last criteria, which is it factor. And I struggled with this for a while. It's a nice skin-soothing moisturizer, probably geared towards dry, sensitive, non-acne prone skin. Probably not super friendly for acne-prone skin or oilier skin types. Works well over a good serum and under most sunscreens. Doesn't provide enough hydration on its own that I can use it on its own, but that's not necessarily even a bad thing. My skin is super dry. It's fragrance-free, which I like. It's affordable. Nice product. Probably won't work perfect for everybody, but I think with given the right skin texture type, things like that, it can work well. I just didn't have enough it to give it the it factor. That doesn't mean it's not a good product because it's worth trying. I like it. I'd probably repurchase it in the future, so I cannot wait to review more. Definitely going to review this little one next. So I really do like it. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8, and I'll inquire about their cruelty-free status. I don't think they are, but we'll find out more. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are, so definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Yeah, I don't know. Soothing? I don't necessarily think I'd call it soothing per se, more of a hydrating moisturizer than soothing. But anyway, okay, those are my thoughts. Leave a comment. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.